OSB Pro. In this video today, I'm going to be walking with you, showing you how you can change your password. Security matters. It's very, very important for you. So this is it. I'm going to be walking with you, showing you how you can change your password and have that configured. So this is my email I'm using for testing this time around. Just go to your post, Kazi. Now remember, you have not logged in, but you just only have your email address, and maybe you've been using it before and you forgot it. So if you forgot your password, how to sort it, how to reset it, I'm going to show you all those processes. So I'm going to show you, I've logged in, maybe I need to change my password, I'll show you that. Maybe you have forgotten your password and you want to see how you can redeem it back, like how you can change and put new password and get something of that sort. So the process is very simple. Just click on login. So inside login, he just click I forgot password. That implies indirectly I have my email, but I forgot my password. I don't know my password. Like maybe I don't know what I typed previously. When I click there, I've got it not working. So what I have to do, just click on forgot password. So here on forgot password, just put in your email address. Remember you forgot it, so you just put your email address there. So when you give in your email address there, please just make sure you also have your Gmail, or like you don't have your Gmail, you're definitely going to get a message there on your phone, on your Gmail. So just click here, reset password. So when you click reset password, it's going to definitely direct you to that part where you're going to be resetting up our new password via our Gmail. We're going to be getting up a message here on our Gmail concerning a new password that we have just got. So when you try to check again, it should be important to see the email. I think it is here in spam mails. Okay, so this is what I'm just going to do. I'm just going to click here. So this is the new message I've just received. So if you don't get it direct on your here, you just check on your spam mails here. It should be important to find one there, and you can just click not spam, so that it's trusted. So next time you receive a message concerning that, just make sure you're on the same page. It works out for you. So the next stage we are going to be looking onto remember we've got a message here, and even they sent us a message. So this one-time token, and they say that, hi Adi Bashikyu, I recently requested the password reset. Click the link below to reset your password. So this is the link here. When you click on that link, definitely it's going to direct you to this page. So this is the page that we are directed to, and I can now give in my new password. Okay, so I'm going to just give my new password, maybe whatever password I can give. Okay, maybe I can just give in something simple. So here you can give any password of your choice. Maybe you're giving up a password. So after doing so, okay, fine. Remember the other side, after setting up, you've resetted up a password. Just click on login. So you give in the new password now. So when you give the new password and everything goes on well, it should be in a position to log in as expected. You get? Yeah. So that's how it is done. Simple as that. You don't need to worry again on how to set password. So let me now show you how to change the password in the next video. Thank you.